Here we are, day one at the new house. This house is a double wide that we are going to transport from here to the first location. But as all these, like a rock, what is it called? Skirting. Yeah. So before we move it, we have to knock down all these rocks. So we've got Muscle Man here. Show me your muscles. Hold on. Muscle Man Caleb here.
Some place that he can actually get
hit
progress.
These.
Not there. Well, you can
so that we can get it all out.
hit it.
Oh, hit it. Go.
Hit me with your best shot.
Oh,
hard you gotta hit it.
Hard. You're the one showing your muscles. There you go.
I mean,
there you go. Oh, he might get it. It's moving. That's my boy.
163 more to go.
Oh, yep. Keep going.
Out of the...
All right, now it's Ethan's turn. He's got to see if he can beat his little brother's record. All right.
It's so much thinner.
What? One hit. Two. What? Yeah, there you go. But what do you do when you don't want to go around an entire house and sledgehammer everything because you're old? You get, or you borrow a jackhammer from a friend for free.
What do you say?
And you try to jackhammer all the mortar so that it's easier with a sledgehammer. This thing is pretty cool. Here's Caleb jackhammering on for the little jackhammer.
Where you want me to?
Yep. Good morning, day. So today is the day we move the house. So there it is back there. Oh, here comes part of the moving team. It is about 8 o'clock in the morning. So what they're gonna do is, this is a double wide. So they're gonna split down the seam, take everything apart and open up where the seam is. And then they're going to take this part out that way and deliver it to the new location, then come back and get the second part and take it out that way. So anyway, I've never done this before, so this is a new experience. And we worked really hard on getting this done, and it's finally the day. We're excited. Stay tuned to see how it goes. All right, here we are. The guys are here. They are taking everything down the middle. So they've got it split in half. They've jacked up this one side. Now they're unhooking all the wires and everything down the line. So it goes all the way like that. So we don't have to take the trim down, which is awesome. Out the other end. And they're about to move this first half. I think we got everything. Got stuff taped so the doors aren't flying everywhere. Got all the fans down so they don't break the globes or anything if it's swinging around. We're only going maybe, I don't know, I think it's 4 miles. So it's not too long. But anyway, it's kind of exciting. They've only been here, man, like 3 hours, so they've really moved it quick. I thought it would take a lot longer. But gonna move this half first. So this half is going first. 4 miles, set it up, and then come back and get this half. So see how it goes. All right, the house is now in its spot. All the guys are here. They've got both pieces. Now they're fixing the seam down the middle, putting the siding back on. They've got it leveled, so it is high. It's like 4 feet on this end, but of course not as much on the other end. They've got this new anchor system called the Oliver system to help with high winds, tornadoes, stuff like that. So we opted to get this one. It's supposed to be better. We got all of our mulch done the other day, yesterday. Here's what it looks like. It looks pretty good, I think. We are so close to being done. We've got appliances we're delivering. And on to the fun part, which is the decorating. Stay tuned.